Hello, Mrs. Conley's class. Today's lesson is going to be about arrays. And for us adults out here, arrays is a relatively new term. We didn't learn about arrays in elementary school. But an array is just an organized set of objects in rows and columns. Now, most children get columns and rows confused. And the best visual that I can give them is imagine our beautiful White House with these huge columns that are in front of them. And the columns go up and down. So that's how you know what a column is. So if we look at our first array here, we notice that there are actually 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. When we are trying to find out our rows, we take a look at them. We actually have 2 rows. 1, 2. The next question I'm going to ask you is how can I make an equation from this array? There's actually 2 different ways. You could do 2 plus 2 plus 2. And I'm getting the 2 because there are 2 objects in each of the 3 columns. That's why you see 2 3 times. And you could do 3 plus 3 because there are 3 objects in each of the 2 rows. Notice they both equal the same amount. They both equal 6, both of those equations. And the reason why they're teaching second graders arrays is it's preparing them for multiplication, which is just repeated addition. And that won't happen until the 3rd or 4th grade, but we want to give you a visual of what it actually looks like, what it actually represents. Now, my next question that I would ask your child is how can I make an array that only has one equation? The answer to that is you need to have an array that has equal sets of rows and columns. So if you look at the array now, I have 3 rows and 3 columns. So there is actually only one equation that I can do. And that concludes our lesson on arrays.